Hey you guys, Steve Roberson here, and I want to welcome you back to the Graduation Code. So I know many of you are on spring break right now, many of you are probably going on spring break, and I want to get a chance to talk to you right now, and I want to talk to you about how you guys can be productive over spring break here. Now, I'm not saying you guys got to go out and you got to study day in, day out, you got to do all this extra work. No, it's something very simple that you can do. And I learned this from one of my mentors. And the thing that he told me was this: hey, Steve, when you have spring break, okay, you need to make sure that you're doing some type of self-assessment. Okay, and running the self-assessment to be able to analyze what you are doing right and what you are doing wrong, and create a list, compile a list that is going to put you in a position to excel for that second half of the semester. So, for example, I'm in the doctorate program, as many of you know, and when I took spring break last year, I sat down and I wrote a list of all the things that I was doing right and all the things that I think I need to work on to improve and excel for that second half of the semester. So I went through my list, and I knew that I was doing a great job as far as communicating with my teachers, getting my papers reviewed, getting my projects reviewed, getting a further understanding of the theories that are being talked about in class. But what I was struggling with was being able to allot the amount of time to be able to knock out all the readings, but not just knock out all the readings, get a firm understanding of the readings going into that next class. So instead of taking starting my readings at about 8:30, 9 o'clock in the evening, I started to move that time up a little bit sooner. So I decided to move my readings up to about 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock in the evening time. And this time allowed me to be able to knock out the reading, but also reread the things that I did not understand. So to you, I want to talk to you guys, because I think you guys need to run a self-assessment over the spring break. I need you guys to be able to analyze the things that you are doing right and the things that you are doing wrong, and be able to compile a list of, okay, these are the things that I am going to do, these are the things that I'm going to accomplish in order to make sure that I am excelling over this next semester here, this second half of the semester here. So I want you guys to be able to run that self-assessment, and after you run that self-assessment, make sure you have that list nice and tight, ready to go, and I need you to accomplish those things on that list, so that way you can excel even further in your classes and finish off with that degree.